Hi, my name is Mamatha Akella, and I'm Felt's in-house cartographer. I've spent several years building online base maps, and I can tell you the process is time-intensive and complex. One of the things I love about Felt is how easy it is to combine our data library layers with our base maps to create different aesthetics of a base depending on the type of map that you're making. Over the next week or so, I'll share some of my favorite combinations of data library layers and our base map to use for different themes like recreation, climate, and urban use cases. But today I want to start simple. What if you just want a light map or a dark map to help your data pop? I'm going to show you how you can quickly do that in Felt. So here in this map, I have two layers. One is land and one is ocean. And these are using default symbology that was applied when I uploaded the data. So first, let's start with how we would go about making a dark map. You can do this quickly and easily using our style editor. So first I'm going to start with the land, and I'm going to choose the type simple because I want all features to be colored the same. I don't want labels because I'm going to rely on Felt's base map labels that draw on top of data. And for the color for the dark map for the land, I want this dark gray. And I want to bring the opacity all the way to 100% so none of the underlying base map shows through. And I want to also get rid of this outline we see here. So I'm going to select the polygon style for only fill and click done. And next we'll go to the ocean. So again, I'll open the style editor. And this time for the ocean, I'm going to choose this slightly lighter gray and do the same selections I did with the land, which is opacity to 100%, and only fill to get rid of the outline. And just like that, I've created a dark themed map. And if you want to see how this works with either your data or our data library layers like earthquakes, you can see that having a dark background really helps pop out this thematic content, in this case, earthquakes, because of the contrast between the dark and the brighter earthquake data. Okay, now let's see how we can transform the same map into a light map using the style editor again. So this time for a light map for the land, I want my land color to be white and the ocean color to be the lightest gray. And there we go. I now have a light map. As I zoom in, one of the things you may notice is that this land layer is covering up some of the other context that I get with the felt base map, like roads, boundaries, water bodies, and more. If I want that information on my map, I can go back to the style editor for land and choose the option to switch the position from above water and roads to below water and roads. And what that does is sandwiches my land layer in between several other reference layers that are part of the base map. And this is a great thing to do to provide additional context for any map that you may be making in Felt. Okay, so that was a quick demo of how to make a light and dark map in Felt using a couple of layers and our style editor. If you want to copy this map and use the same data, you can find the links below. And once you open this map, you can duplicate it to your account and start working on your own themes. Also, if you haven't joined our Slack community, be sure to do so for more tips and tricks like this one. And I will see you on the internet. Thank you. Bye.